Based on that, you can actually sustain your value proposition that you have from your product. Hi, I'm Urszula Wawrzeniuk. I'm head of product delivery at 10Clouds, and I'm helping our clients to create sustainable value of their products. Today we are going to talk about what are the next steps after you created and launched your MVP product. First step, you need to gather data. You need to understand your users, what they dislike and what they like about your MVP to make conscious decisions what you want to improve in your product. Second thing, improve your product based on the feedback that you gathered from the clients. Thanks to those data that you gathered in the previous step, you're able to decide exactly what kind of features your client needs, and thanks to that you can actually prioritize the next steps that you are going to build up in your product. The next thing, you need to identify new revenue streams. Based on the feedback, based on continuous discovery, you can discover new markets, new target groups, and understand how in different way you can actually make money on your product. After that, you can build a community around your MVP. So encourage your users to actually share feedback, to give you support, and to give you more data and information about how they want your product to be developed. The next step is definitely you can experiment with the pricing. You can think about different pricing strategy and think which is the most suitable for your product. What are their next steps, what kind of features they are launching, and based on that you can actually sustain your unique value proposition. Another thing that you definitely need to do is to keep an eye on the competition and on changes on the market. Based on that, you can actually sustain your value proposition that you have from your product. And last but not least, be open for pivoting. Because you cannot be sure that what you discovered and what you built as an MVP is exactly the thing which will bring you the best revenue.